welcome back to Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be heading back into the squared circle for more Rumbleslam. This time it's the casino that I've decided I'm going to start collecting, and this particular team is the Cryptborn Nightmares. Okay, here we are with the Cryptborn Nightmares. As you can see on the box, this is what we get. It's part of the Rolling Bones casino, which incorporates the goblins and orcs and the troll I was doing in the last painting session. So the Cryptborn Nightmares are a great defensive team, ideally suited for patient players launching an attack when the time is right. The werewolf is one of the best wrestlers in the game, and the zombie and mummy won't stay down. So that's what we have in the box. So let's open it up and see what they look like, shall we? This box is like the base game box. It opens and is designed exactly the same way, so I can put my anti-casino minis in there, I think. So here we go. This is these are the perspex discs for the bases, or the acrylic discs for the bases. As you're probably aware, you get two sizes. There we are. In case you're wondering why they're milky, there's a clear plastic, or there's a clear protection coating on that on one side. So I keep that on until I've based them, and then I take them off after the base. So that is the bases. Pop those now to one side, and let's have a look at the cards that we get. So we start off with a skeleton. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we are, that's better. So we have an attack of 2 copper, defense of 2 copper, a grapple of 2 copper, and a dexterity of 3 copper dice. It's a weight of 1, popularity of 2, and the throw is 2. You've got these particular attacks. The rope attack is a running knee smash, the turnbuckle attack is a bony hip drop, and I think that, I can't remember what that particular one is, never mind. So it has 3 action points, movement of 4, and that's the cost of the character, I think. So let's have a look. Okay, so brittle bones, that's the one we're looking at, and I couldn't quite work out what the ring symbol meant. If this wrestler is hit with a single attack that deals 4 damage or more, immediately remove it from the game. Wow. With the crowd pleaser, this wrestler gains 2 action point counters, and there are the other ones that show you what happens with those. The next character we have is the Orc Skeleton, and you can see all the Ujits there. I'm not going to go through them all again, but sort of let you see what they are. Here we go. And next we have a zombie. There's a lot of silver dice going on here by the look of it. And what's the attacks? The ring attack, the blue one, is Rise from the Grave. Whenever this wrestler successfully rolls to recover from being KO'd, it replenishes 2 stamina instead of 1, and removes its knockdown counter for 0 AP. Well, that's not bad. So that's the zombie. Next we have the mummy. I can see this being a quite a quick team to paint, to be honest. So that's the card, and there we are. Has near enough the same effects as the zombie for that one. In fact, it does have the same effects. And then finally we have the werewolf. A couple of gold. Thought that might get a better better attack and dexterity bonus, but never mind. And there we go. There's its cards. Oh, actions and what they mean. So that's the cards looked at. Now is what we're wanting to see more than anything else, the wrestlers themselves. So let us do this. Now these are multi-part kits, as you can see. This is going to be fun. But here is the, you could actually use that. Let's put these to one side and pick these out, doesn't we? You could use that exactly the way it is for like a D&D dungeon or something like that, where it's actually suspended from ropes or something. But now yeah, that's the skeleton, and as you can see he's wearing the Borat manthong, not manthong, mankini, or whatever they call it. There we go. So that's the skeleton. The Orc Skeleton is again one of those in two pieces. The top fits onto the bottom, like so. There's a bit of cleaning up to do, so bear with me. As you know, I've only just opened these out of the box, so it's not as if I can actually show you them completely done, but we will be getting on to painting these very, very soon. Again, this is another multi-part job. That's it. That's his arm, I think. But and then we have the zombie, so the main body, the two arms. There we go. And we have a skeleton hand, or skeleton arm rather. And finally we have the werewolf. Now the werewolf's body comes in God knows how many parts, so we've got that main bit there. We've got a hand, and wrist, and a foot, and a head, and they're all mixed resin pieces. You can tell by the different colours. Got his other foot here, and his tail. So it just means that I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning up and a little bit of manufacture with these, but who cares? We're going to enjoy doing them and enjoy painting them and hopefully enjoy playing with them. There are many, many more minis to get and other stuff as well, so we're going to get on with them. We're going to get on with these fairly soon. I'll probably end up putting them together later on today, and then we can start painting as soon as. The thing is, I have currently started, you'll not know this as yet, but I've currently started doing the Marvel Crisis Protocol minis. I've done 3 so far. They will be up for your viewing pleasure fairly soon. And the Orc and Goblin team, the Green Bruisers, they took a long time to paint, and went over 12 videos altogether, so if you part way through, you've got still more to go. But I'm trying to do these as good as I can, because since I've started painting again, I seem to be going for more quality than just slapping the paint on and just trying to get it as a reasonable tabletop standard, as you can see. So we'll see how it works. That's all I can say. But I don't think I'm going to get much in the line of video numbers for this one. I'm going to do them exactly the same, just try and get them as just like a split videos, half an hour each or thereabouts. But as I said, with the skeletons, it's just a case of what is it, prime with white, and then I'll just go over with a screaming skull or something like that, and then possibly dry brush white over the top, I don't know yet, and then do the cloth parts for the mummy. Prime them white, go over with screaming skull, and then possibly give it a mid-tone wash or a brown wash, something like that, and then another dry brush. We'll see how we go with them as we get on, but as I say, I'm not expecting most of these ones to be of quality where I'm going to be, not quality, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't think I'm going to be spending too much time on some of these models because of basically the way they are, how easy they look to paint. But we will find out, as I say, when we come to paint them. But I'm going to sign off now and get on with building these, and next time you see these, they will be all put together and primed, and we're about to start painting. So until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.